The hidden power beneath the soil, the extraordinary life of the mole cricket. Beneath the surface of the earth lies a vast hidden world, where darkness and silence reign supreme. In this subterranean kingdom, the mole cricket reigns as an unassuming yet formidable force. Small in stature but mighty in its abilities, the mole cricket is a master excavator, predator, and survivor, perfectly adapted to thrive in an environment few other creatures dare to inhabit. Anatomy perfected for underground mastery. The mole cricket's physical form is a marvel of evolutionary engineering. Its size varies from a modest 2 cm up to an impressive 10 cm, depending on species. The most striking feature is its front legs, thick, flattened, and armed with powerful spines. These limbs resemble tiny shovels built for rapid and efficient digging. Unlike typical insect legs designed primarily for walking or jumping, the mole cricket's forelegs have morphed into specialized digging apparatuses capable of shifting soil with ease. The body is cylindrical and streamlined, covered in fine, velvety hairs that minimize friction when sliding through tunnels. The exoskeleton is hardened but flexible enough to allow movement through tight underground passages. Its head features strong mandibles that serve both as tools for feeding and weapons for defense and combat. Unlike most insects that struggle to move backward, mole crickets are agile in all directions within their tunnels. This flexibility is crucial for escaping predators or quickly pursuing prey in the labyrinthine soil networks they call home. Master builders of the subterranean labyrinth. Mole crickets are not simply diggers, they are architects of complex underground systems. Their burrows form an intricate maze of tunnels, chambers, and air pockets that fulfill many functions essential to their survival. At the heart of their tunnels are acoustic chambers, carefully shaped hollows that amplify the resonant calls of males. These calls, which can carry for meters underground, play a vital role in mating rituals, allowing males to advertise their presence and quality to females even in total darkness. Beyond reproduction, tunnels serve as storage for food, refuges from extreme weather, and protective hideouts from numerous predators. Some species build multiple tunnels that interconnect, expanding their territory and resource access. The construction of these burrows has an ecological ripple effect. By aerating the soil and facilitating water infiltration, mole crickets enhance soil fertility and structure, indirectly benefiting plant growth. Yet this beneficial activity is a double-edged sword, as the disturbance of roots can sometimes harm crops and other vegetation. A versatile and lethal predator. Mole crickets' diet is diverse. While they consume roots and decaying plant matter, they are also opportunistic predators, hunting earthworms, larvae, and various smaller invertebrates dwelling in the soil. Their hunting strategy relies heavily on their ability to detect minute vibrations transmitted through the ground. This sensitivity acts as an underground radar, alerting them to the presence of prey or approaching danger. The moment a vibration is detected, the mole cricket moves stealthily toward its target, using its sharp, powerful mandibles to seize and dismember the prey within the safety of the tunnel. This combination of sensory acuity and physical power makes the mole cricket an apex invertebrate predator in its domain. The remarkable life cycle. The mole cricket's life begins hidden from view. Females lay clusters of eggs deep within protected chambers of their tunnels. These eggs develop shielded from many predators and environmental threats, allowing the species to sustain its populations effectively. Upon hatching, the nymphs resemble miniature adults but lack wings and some hardened structures. As they grow, they undergo a series of molts, shedding their exoskeletons to accommodate increased size and developing full adult features, including the iconic digging forelegs and, in males, wings used for flight and mating calls. Juveniles immediately begin life underground, vulnerable but instinctively equipped for digging and hunting. Their growth depends on environmental factors such as soil moisture, temperature, and food availability, which can affect the duration of their development stages. Adaptations for survival in a hostile world. Living underground does not mean immunity from threats. Mole crickets contend with a variety of natural enemies. Birds such as crows, owls, and starlings hunt mole crickets by listening for their calls or detecting disturbed soil. Mammals including hedgehogs, shrews, and rodents dig into tunnels to extract them. Amphibians like frogs take advantage of their emergence during wet periods. Beyond predators, mole crickets face parasitic wasps that lay eggs on or inside them. The developing wasp larvae consume the mole cricket host from within, a grim fate that helps regulate mole cricket populations naturally. Fungal infections and nematodes also pose threats, exploiting the damp, enclosed habitats mole crickets favor. These biological controls are essential in maintaining ecological balance, preventing any single species from overwhelming the environment. Extreme weather poses another survival challenge. In cold seasons, mole crickets retreat deeper into the earth where temperatures remain stable, entering a state of dormancy. During droughts or floods, their ability to dig rapidly and swim helps them escape or survive harsh conditions. Ecological and agricultural impact. Mole crickets occupy a paradoxical role in human agriculture. Their digging aerates soil and controls populations of harmful insect larvae, benefiting crop health. However, their feeding on roots, tubers, and seedlings can devastate crops such as potatoes, carrots, tomatoes, watermelon, barley, and rice. Infestations are particularly problematic in moist agricultural regions, where mole cricket populations can explode, causing extensive damage to plant roots and reducing yields. Farmers struggle to control these pests due to their hidden lifestyle and reproductive capabilities. Integrated pest management strategies often aim to balance mole cricket control with preservation of their ecological benefits, emphasizing biological control agents and habitat management. Behavior and communication. Mole crickets exhibit fascinating social behaviors. Males produce loud, continuous calls during the breeding season by rubbing their forewings together, a process known as stridulation. These calls serve not only to attract females but also to warn rival males. The acoustic design of their burrows enhances the volume and range of these calls, making mole cricket choruses a remarkable natural phenomenon. Females locate calling males by following the vibrations and sounds through the soil. Males sometimes engage in territorial disputes involving physical combat. These battles, fought with legs and jaws, determine dominance and access to prime burrow locations. Victory in such contests is crucial for reproductive success. Distribution and diversity. Mole crickets are found across vast geographical ranges, from the temperate meadows of Europe to the tropical forests of Asia and the arid regions of North Africa. Approximately 110 species have been identified, each adapted to specific habitats and climates. Common species include the European mole cricket and the Far Eastern mole cricket, each with distinct behaviors and habitat preferences. Some species prefer sandy soils near water bodies, while others thrive in grasslands or agricultural fields. Their wide distribution and adaptability make mole crickets an important subject for ecological and evolutionary studies. The mole cricket's role in nature's balance. Despite their small size, mole crickets have outsized influence on their ecosystems. By burrowing, feeding, and reproducing underground, they affect soil properties, nutrient cycling, and food webs. Their interactions with predators and parasites help maintain biological diversity. Their role as both prey and predator connects multiple trophic levels, highlighting their importance in sustaining healthy ecosystems. The mole cricket embodies the complexity of life hidden beneath our feet, a testament to nature's ability to evolve creatures perfectly suited to their environments, no matter how challenging.